something wild? Check this out. Yesterday in southern Alberta, smoked a shit getting into southern Alberta from here. No filters from my nothing really. Southern Alberta. You know what? I'm just heading back to the office in Toronto. So I've been on the highway. I haven't really caught up a lot.
Okay, cool. I just saw the...
Yeah, I was doing Toronto and then Saskatchewan. Now I'm heading home to my Vancouver office.
Okay, there you go.
So